Look how many people knew about Bitcoin before I did. Look how many people didn't buy it. Look how many people saw that e-commerce and making money online was going to be a thing, and they didn't capitalize on the opportunity. The difference between me and somebody else was that I just took action, and I did something with the information that I had. And that's the difference between a winner and a loser. And the reason I'm a winner is not because I have a better brain capacity, because my brain processing power is so much better. No, I'm actually dedicated to what? To winning. And when I realized that I couldn't make excuses, I was fully reliable for the information that I absorbed. And what I did with that information, I decided to act, because action equals reaction. We know this to be true. If there is a cause, there's an effect. So if I'm poor, something is causing that poorness. I need to be able to address it. I was able to address it at an early age, and that was financial illiteracy, inadequacy to be in the marketplace and offer value. And that was what I needed to solve. Become financially literate and provide value. When you provide value, you make money. When you become financially literate, you know how to move your money and keep your money. So many people out here talk about how to make money. Bro, when you start playing the game, you're going to understand it's even harder to keep the money.
Yeah.
And that's a completely different game.